So I got my new switches in from Australia. Here's the little secret sauce button. This will be for my radio, and that's my little secret sauce button. I think it's fitting for what it's going to do. The other one is sitting in the cab of the truck, but you know, typical wiring harnesses that come with them. Lots of options of wiring these things, but getting this one installed first, and then I will work on the reverse lights. Alright, so there's that one back fully installed. Try to get a close up in there. Very nice. And then I got the reverse lights. No, you can't see it. So, reverse lights and my water injection. Very clean. Happy with the way it turned out. A couple other things to mess with here today, and I'll have it back out of the shop and piddle with it. So while I had the shop empty, I wanted to go ahead and pull the Mag High-Tech double deep pan off my old trans, which is kind of rigged up and hanging on my engine stand here, or my cherry picker. That way when they actually get this trans to rework it, they just have the stock pan. It's easier to get it in and out from underneath the truck. Like I said, this one will be going back to my boys at Done Right Diesel sometime the end of this year for another project. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just got standard billet shafts all in it. Cleaned up the pan. There's quite a bit of sludge in here, which I already knew of. I mean, looking at the trans fluid that came out of the other truck, it was pretty bad. But here's just your normal Mag High-Tech double deep pan with the filter extension and all the bolts just sitting inside. I'll get this powder coated once I go on the next truck that this trans goes on. And we're fixing to attempt to load this beast of a 6.7 motor in the back of the work truck. So we're about to attempt to put my 6.7 core motor in the back of my little Colorado. I got the head in there all the way at the front. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the head sitting here. I'm trying to put the motor right here so I can keep all my ice chests and my other tools that I keep in this truck. About to put it in my little 2.8 liter. We'll see what this Duramax, this little 2.8 Duramax will do on the way to the surprise location when we leave. But we got to get the core motor taken to them so they can definitely get started on my new motor. And that, my friends, is how you precision drop a 6.7 liter short block by yourself in the back of a Colorado. They better have a forklift when we get this thing out. I ain't doing that again. But it's in. So there's everything strapped down, ready to head north. Probably by the time you are seeing this video, I will be driving up north to drop this 6.7 block off. Got all my work stuff. Like I said, the head's down in there, up front. So we'll see what kind of fuel mileage this little 2.8 liter will do. I do pretty good fuel mileage, but if anybody wants a video on this, I mean, there's nothing done to it. But I mean, I can give a review. Just drop something down in the comments if anybody wants something, because I pretty much drive this all the time. This is pretty much my work truck, run around everything truck, so keep miles off everything else. But we're loaded down. We'll be rolling north shortly, and poof, just like that, the Colorado is clean, ready for its trek up north. She's squatting a little bit. We'll see what kind of fuel mileage we can average with the big 6.7 Cummins motor in the back. So here for the night, and this is where the video is gonna end. The Holiday Inn here. The old little baby Duramax hadn't done too bad. Averaged 31.2 today. Still loaded down. It's nowhere near as bad as I thought. With the big 6.7 motor in the back, it's not bouncy. It actually is really good. But pretty much I'm gonna leave this video here with a little teaser. We're in North Arkansas, so basically wake up in the morning and get the motor to its new home.